Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about some traveling essentials that I personally bring when I travel. So if you want to see what I bring, just stay tuned. So first I want to start off with these 14K gold eye mask. Here's a closer look. I am going to use these, and it says anti-aging gold eye mask. These actually go up under your eyes for like when you travel, and it like give like bags up under your eyes and stuff like that. And like if your eyes are like very puffy, these are really good. I just got these from Amazon. If you want the link, I will link it down below. So just let me know. Next, this may not be a travel essential for a lot of people, but it's definitely a travel essential for me. Is my camera bag. I love this camera bag so much. My fiance got it for me. It's so convenient, you guys. Yeah, and I'm able to put my camera in here along with my camera charger, my Canon camera charger, and my earphones for the airport. And I believe I have an extra battery in here as well. And just like little stuff that has, to do with my camera. I make sure I pack it in this bag right here, and also you can just put it around like your shoulder right here, like this, or you can put it around your waist as well. So I like that. Let's see. So my next travel essential for me is going to be my 2019 agenda book. I use this to write down anything that I may want to write down while I'm out the country, as far as itineraries or anything. So I think just having like a little notepad is definitely important. So I just got a little cute one that said 2019. Okay, so next is going to be my sleeping mask. I actually just got this for $5 at our local Kroger. So I like to use this because I can put this on when I'm on the plane and I just want to block everybody out and then just get some good rest. So I think a sleeping mask for the ladies are very important. So that is another one. And also my passport. Cannot forget my passport. I just got it this year, for our trip to Aruba out the country. It's just a cute little marble passport that goes with my suitcase cover as well. This is the suitcase cover right here. And I have a little traveling tag on here as well. So, and this cover came from Amazon. If you want to know about the link, if you want to know where the link is, I can link it down below. So yeah, that's my suitcase, and this is my passport holder right here. It also has a little pocket right here that you can use for, documents, boarding passes, or anything like that. And then you can just kind of put your passport on the other side right there. So I really like that. And I just put like a little scrunchie over it just to secure it more. So yeah, that right there. And also we have to have a pair of glasses. So I got a pair of glasses. I actually just got these through the mail today. I haven't even opened them yet. But it's just some oversized, and they're so cute, you guys. But I'm going to just show them like this because I don't even want to open the whole thing again. But just like some oversized glasses, which are just really good for if you want to hide your eyes when you first get off the airport, after like first get off the airplane, after like just being sleepy and stuff like that. So this is just good to be able to cover your eyes up with something when you first get off of the plane, as well as for your vacation, and just to kind of have your eyes covered completely. And that's why I like oversized glasses. So alright, and then we have our bottle of water. Well, water bottle. I actually got this from my last job that I worked at. And I just love it so much. It's actually a 16-ounce bottle, 500 milliliter, and this is just very good. I like this a lot. It keeps your cold water cold and your hot tea hot if you decide that you want to have something warm in here as well. I think this is very important when it comes to traveling because you want to stay hydrated. So. And of course we cannot forget the neck pillow. I have this foam neck pillow that actually clamps together like this. You can clamp it together like this when you're on a plane or just kind of traveling, just have it on you and stuff like that. Black, which is a very transparent color. I was going to get black anyway, but it's like a foam type of material, so I definitely think this is a very, very, very important travel essential so you can be comfortable on the plane, depending on how long your flight is. But everybody wants to be comfortable, so yeah. And then right here is my toiletry bag right here that I have, and I just have a few items in here. I have a few hand lotions for when I'm on the plane, and I'm going to also put these in my carry-on bag as well. Also, I have some Neutrogena sunscreen right here. And then I have 100% sunscreen, 100 SPF sunscreen, because I heard that Aruba was very hot and it is very close to the equator. So I want to keep this sunscreen on because when I went to Miami, I got sunburned, and that was the first time I got sunburned, and I do not like it. It is just so nasty. But anyways, a little hand sanitizer that I think is very important when you're traveling. So yeah, definitely hand sanitizer. And like I said, I just got some little minis. I got my fiance and I some little deodorants for when we travel, and some little mouthwashes, which I think are very important. And we got some little Sensodyne. I just thought these were so cute, you guys. Some little Sensodyne toothpastes, which I really love. And some little swab for men for him to be able to wash his hair, and also he can wash his body at the same time. And also this little pack right here that I got, this little pouch, which is very, very handy. It has like a little strap right here, and it's TSA approved, and also you can just put everything in here and they're able to see it and stuff like that. So I definitely recommend to get a little pouch like this to keep your toiletries and stuff in, and that way when you take it out, or if they go through it, they're able to see it. And also I recommend to keep everything up under 3 ounces, so you'll be able to take it through the scanner and don't have to you know, all that extra stuff as far as taking your stuff out, all that and stuff like that. So I'm going to put all this in here. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys one more thing. Another travel essential for me is my makeup bag, which is good for traveling. You can hook this anywhere in the bathroom, and it's very, very convenient. You can put your makeup right there, my brushes right here, and like all my lip glosses and my concealers right here, which I think is really cute. And you can just fold it up like this. You can put the strap down in here, fold it up like that, and it has a carrying little handle on it. And yeah, so that is that, and I think that is very convenient. As I said before, those are my traveling essentials for 2019. Also, can't forget the tripod. So besides the tripod that I'm filming on, a hand tripod is very, very essential if you're a blogger, because it's just like very handy, of course, very just like grippy, you know, it won't slip out your hand or anything. So this is very, very good. This is actually my daily vlogging tripod that I use when I'm vlogging, I'm walking, when I'm like taking vacations, or just want to vlog something or something like that. So yeah, love this a lot. And let me make sure nothing else. Let's see, maybe my hair bag. I'm gonna do my hair bag real quick. Hold on. Sorry that I keep getting up, you guys. It's just I didn't have everything with me, but I'm about to end this video here in a minute. But this is my little hair bag that I got from the thrift store, which is very, very convenient. I have my scissors here, my Got2b glue, and my Gorilla Snot. And in here I just got my brushes. And here some combs. Also got the little mini Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. Some earplugs, a little clip, which is necessary when you're traveling, and some scrunchies. So yeah, that is it for the video. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. And again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you guys like it. Until next time, you guys stay beautiful and have a wonderful day.